If you're a beauty YouTuber trying to figure out how to make 100K a month or annually and you don't have a huge amount of followers yet, this powerful formula is just right for you. It's not easy to cross over the 1,000 subscriber threshold for Google's YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations, if you have achieved this milestone already. Google's YouTube Partner Program (YPP) requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. In addition, YouTubers will need to also live in a country or region where YPP is available and have a linked approved AdSense account, which allows advantageous perks. Access to creator support teams. Access to the copyright match tool. Access to monetization features. Meeting these requirements generally means a YouTuber has enough content that can be monetized by Google, where they will be able to make a more informed decision about whether the channel meets their policies and guidelines. YouTubers can only apply for YPP once they reach this threshold. Most YouTubers are unsuccessful at generating sustainable revenue or six-figure incomes. On average, there are 400 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute, where the privileged top 3% of channels receive the majority of 90% viewership. Matthias Bartel, professor at Offenburg University of Applied Sciences in Germany, discovered having even 1.4 million views per month, the average payment from YouTube can amount to less than $17,000 a year. Revealing while Google doesn't release its payment formula, those familiar with YPP and advertising programs through insiders say it can range from as low as 25 cents per 1,000 views to as high as $5 per 1,000 views. Learn more on our blog at mosnarcommunications.com. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.